Hello, hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, ready to share May Candy's Card Club. So each month I select a bundle or a stamp set and I feature it in a club kit that I call Candy's Card Club. Each month I create 8 designs and put together a really deluxe kit that comes to you by mail. So I have chosen this gorgeous new suite from the upcoming May to August Stampin' Up catalog. The suite is called Sunset, I'm going to mess it up. There's Sunset Coast and there's Scenic Coast. Scenic Coast is the name of the suite. Sunset Coast is the name of the bundle. So let me show you what I include and what we're going to make. So in the May kit, you're going to get a half a pack of this gorgeous Scene Designer Series paper. Now this half a pack means that you're going to get 4 each of 6 different designs. Each of these has like this pearlescent on the front that gives you a real look of water, and it's so fun to use with very versatile scenes on the back. Let me grab this one here. So these are just luxurious, they're gorgeous. The colors are just so outstanding to work with. And then pairing with that, we're going to be getting, or you will get a full package of these new self-adhesive sequins, Sunset Sparkle. They are part of the suite. And there's not a ribbon in the suite. I'm using the Timid Tiger for my projects. Now with Candy's Card Club, you also get all the pre-cut and prepared supplies to make 8 different cards. And these do come individually organized into Stampin' Up envelopes. So they're ready to mail once you stamp and assemble. So all this die cut work is done for you. This particular one is featuring the new hydrangea hue for the background. And I'm just going to show you all 8 briefly. One of these, this one is the new crisp cantaloupe. So lots of beachy scenes, lots of seascapes. Now I always have at least 2 fun folds. This column or pillar, I think it's called, fun fold actually will stand on your desk, which is really fun and a little bit cool. So all of this comes to your door, including mailing, for $45. It does include PDF tutorials for all 8 projects. If you bought just the tutorials, it would be $18. So your $45 kit is a real bargain. When you have done 6 consecutive months of Candy's Card Club, you get a $25 gift, or I should say a $25 value gift. It includes products, it includes some handmade items, it includes some little fun gifts that I find for you. And each month you get a piece of card candy, and I haven't designed it yet for the May kit, so that is yet to be revealed. If you're not ready for a subscription, you can do a single month. You will pay more. So I really encourage you to just jump into the subscription. You can unsubscribe at any time. There's no, stamping police coming to, make you fulfill X number of months. There's nothing like that. You can unsubscribe at any time. But that way, if you decide to stick around and you do the 6 months, you'll get the rewards. And I like to be able to give you those loyalty gifts. So let me show you really quick before I leave you. The stamp set is gorgeous, so fun to work with, and the greetings for so many different things. The dies are really pretty incredible. So this is a small version, and yeah, there's a lot here, and they're really fun to work with. And one of the things I endeavor to do with Candy's Card Club is whatever bundle I'm featuring, I endeavor to use every stamp and every die so that you get to experience them, and if you have these, that you really learn how to use them. So that's kind of the method in my madness, that I do some teaching along with a lot of creativity and fun ideas and out of the box designs. So I hope that you will consider the May kit for Candy's Card Club. You can go to sweetstamper.com and click on the club tab. It will give you all the information. Thanks so much for your consideration. Take care and God bless.